How to use QuickBooks for accounting online. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can use QuickBooks for your accounting online. So let's get started. What you have to do is you will simply go to quickbooks.intuit.com and you will land on this platform right here. QuickBooks is an amazing platform to add your different accounting options, and you will be able to do accounting with your QuickBooks. You will be able to create your invoices, you will be able to get your expenses, reports, everything with just one platform right here. You can simply go ahead and sign up. You will be able to run your successful business and get more productive and save time with QuickBooks, because you will get an easy track of your cash flow and an insight to your business spendings. So to choose a plan, you will actually find three pricing plans right here. You will simply have to sign up for one of these. The first one is the simple plan, which is going to be $8 per month, and you get a free 30-day trial. With this plan, we will be able to track income, expenses, send custom invoices, connect your bank, track VAT for one user. Then we have the essential plan, which is going to be $12 per month, and you can see right here we're getting a free 30-day trial. We have track income and expenses, send custom invoices, connect your bank, insight and report, manage employees, multi-currency, 3 users. And then we have a plus plan, which is going to be $17 per month, and we have 30-day free trial, and we will be able to track income, expenses, insights, reports, multi-currencies, manage budget, and track inventory as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign up with this one. I will start my 30-day trial for this one. You can also go ahead and check out QuickBooks right now. Once you buy any of the plans on QuickBooks, then you will be able to get your own dashboard. So let me actually show you what are the features that you will be getting to manage your business on QuickBooks. So the first option that you get, the feature, is invoices. You can send custom invoices and codes to your customers and to your clients. So what happens is you can simply go ahead and create an invoice. You can add your details, and then you can actually select a color for that as well. Professional invoices can be created with your QuickBooks. Then we have expenses right here. Expenses allows you to track income and expenses. You can record your tax time. You can simply be able to track your income, how much you have spent, what is your budget, and you will be able to actually keep your budget in place, and you will be able to keep your budget in check, because you will have all the information, all the insights to your business, how much you are spending, how much you're giving to a certain person, is the money going. You will have a better idea, and that's why we need QuickBooks to manage our business. Then we have the cloud accounting option as well. QuickBooks is really good for accounting, and when it comes to running your own business, when we have a business, even if it's a small business, we have a lot of different documents, and we have different files, a data that we have to store and we have to manage. Well, with QuickBooks, you don't need to go ahead and create heavy documents, and you don't need to go through the hassle of managing your documents and files and doing that. Well, QuickBooks will actually do that for you. You will be able to store your data very efficiently, and you will be able to manage it better. We are also getting the mobile app with QuickBooks, and then we have, of course, the insight and report. This is one of the really cool features. You will get insight to all of the expenses and all of the different invoices. Everything will be in check on QuickBooks. You will get an insight that what is happening on your QuickBooks, how much you have spent, what's the expenses, what is the budget. Every insight will be given to you right here. Then we have capture and organize receipts as well. Use your phone to take photos of the receipts. So this is really easy. You take photos of your receipts, and then most of the time what happens is when we are doing payments, and we send invoices, and we are running a business, and what happens is we need to add our receipts, and we need to keep everything in check, and we need to upload those receipts to our computer. So with QuickBooks, you will be able to take pictures with the QuickBook app, and then you will be able to add that receipts to your data and you will be able to store it. So that's really, really amazing. Then we have multi-currency support. You can send invoices, record transactions, and it just reports in different currencies and assign currencies to different customers. This is really important when we have a small business or a large business. We have different clients, and there are different clients from different countries, and they have different currencies. So they often ask that if they will be able to pay in any other currency, or send the invoice in our currency. So QuickBooks really saves you from the hassle of translating your invoices or changing currency or transferring currencies. Well, what you have to do is you will simply get multi-currency option on your QuickBook that will allow you to send invoices in multiple currencies to your multiple clients. Other than that, if we go right here on small businesses, we have bank feeds, we have cloud accounting. We can actually add our bank directly to our QuickBooks. This option is available. Then we have project feasibility, where you will be able to check your profits. We have accounting reports, we have inventory management, we have data migration as well. So these two options, let's check them out. So first, let's check out inventory management, because these two options are really, really important and I want to show them to you. So managing inventory, right here, you can see right here, organize your product with images, category, and prices. So when it comes to managing inventory, you will be able to add images and you will be able to manage them. Then there is an auto calculate the cost of each product sold by first out. And then we have run reports of best selling items, total sales, and total tax. So this is really good. We can actually manage our inventory according to different products, like the best seller, the latest one, the oldest one. So we can simply go ahead and do that with our QuickBooks right here. Then if we check out the data migration option, that allows us to migrate data, to transfer data, import data from our other businesses as well, from other platforms. So you can see right here, we can actually go ahead and import data from other platforms as well. We can actually run reports, send invoices, organize expenses on more than one devices. And then we have we can keep track of our taxes. We have share books with your accountant. So these are the different options that we will get. This is migration of the data. You can migrate your data from one device to another. You can migrate your data to your phone. You will be able to you do not lose data this way, and it is very safe, and you can get access to your data from any device. You can upload your data on cloud as well. That will help you get access to your data anytime, anywhere. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members, so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use QuickBooks for your accounting. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.